Welcome to PrometAI. Let's explore how you can clearly define ownership across your company. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the Founders section in the Entrepreneur's Journey. Then, click Ownership from the top toolbar and open the Cap Table tool. In this section, you set up your cap table by defining the initial share structure and assigning ownership to founders and future hires or advisors. The system then summarizes ownership and prepares the structure for future funding rounds. Then, click Future Dilution Plan from the toolbar. In this section, you can plan each funding round step by step. Valuations, share prices, and dilution are calculated automatically, so you can clearly see how ownership changes over time. Ownership planning made clear with PrometAI.